Join me as I dive deep into the world of astrology and challenge myself to bust the biggest myths that might be holding you back from your success. Astrology has a profound potential to transform our lives, helping us unlock our strengths, understand our weaknesses, and navigate life's complexities. When used correctly, it can become a powerful tool for personal growth, for self-awareness, and spiritual evolution. But I've noticed that many people who are drawn to astrology often get held back by certain misconceptions and myths that prevent them from tapping into its full potential. One of the most prevalent myths surrounding astrology is that it's purely deterministic, that our fate is sealed, and we're merely puppets controlled by the movements of the celestial bodies. This viewpoint takes away our agency, our power to make conscious choices, and our capacity to shape our own destiny. Another myth is that astrology is only for entertainment, a form of cosmic fortune-telling that lacks any real depth or substance. Some people believe that astrology is a bunch of New Age fluff, a frivolous pursuit that lacks any real scientific basis. These myths can be damaging, as they create a superficial understanding of astrology, preventing people from exploring its true depths. They lead to astrology being dismissed as a mere hobby or form of entertainment, rather than being recognized as a powerful tool for personal growth and self-discovery. By perpetuating these myths, we inadvertently limit the potential of astrology to transform our lives and the lives of those around us. Many people get stuck in this superficial understanding of astrology, failing to recognize the complexity and richness of this ancient wisdom. They might get caught up in the glamour of astrology, focusing solely on surface level predictions and neglecting deeper insights that can be gleaned from it. This limited perspective prevents them from tapping into the transformative power of astrology, using it to awaken their full potential and live a more authentic, conscious life. But what if I told you that there's a way to break free from these myths and unlock the true potential of astrology? By recognizing the flaws in these myths, we can begin to see astrology in a new light, as a powerful tool for self-discovery, personal growth, and spiritual evolution. One key insight that debunks a significant myth is the understanding that our birth chart is not a fixed entity, but rather a dynamic, ever-evolving blueprint that reflects our unique journey. This perspective empowers us to take ownership of our lives and to recognize our strengths and weaknesses, and to make conscious choices that allow with our highest potential. By embracing a more nuanced view of astrology, we can move beyond superficial level of sun signs and horoscopes and delve into the deeper aspects of our being. We can use astrology to awaken our inner wisdom, to tap into our creative potential, and to live a life that's more authentic, more conscious, more fulfilling. We can use astrology to break free from the limitations imposed by our conditioning, our fears, our doubts, and to unlock our full potential as human beings. By overcoming these myths, we can empower ourselves to use astrology as a tool for success, self-discovery, and spiritual growth. We can use it to navigate life's challenges, to make more informed decisions, and to live a life that's more aligned with our values, our passions, and our purpose. So I invite you to join me on this journey to explore the depths of astrology and to unlock its true potential for yourself. Guys, thank you for watching, and I'd love to hear from you. What myths have held you back from exploring astrology, and how have you overcome them? Share your experience in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and to check out my other videos for more insights on astrology, personal growth, and spiritual evolution.